Okay, now to make your, today we're going to learn about how to put your own graphical representation graphics on Python, and that thing is gonna be a little bit harder for you because this is both for you. It's like the first time, but it's gonna be easy later on. Okay, let's start.
Yeah.
You will type from. What do you mean by from? Come on, tell
From
me. What do you mean by from?
turtle.
From. What do you mean by that?
Like
Yeah.
from somebody. Oh, maybe you should make like a letter here. Make a letter here or something.
Yeah. No, it's like from means. Wait, I'm gonna change the font size. Okay. From.
From turtle.
From turtle. We will say tr. Why do you use from? Like to bring out something from somewhere, right? So from turtle. So we are saying from the library of turtle, and Python we have a library called turtle, which have its own function. Like remember, you guys remember Scratch that we did together?
Yeah.
So in Scratch, we used to have a cat, right? In the first screen, that cat that walks like that. Remember about it? Emily, do you
Yeah.
remember the cat from Scratch? Here in Python, we call it as a turtle, okay? Now, from turtle, I'm gonna write import star. What do you guys mean by import? Can anyone tell me?
I forgot what that means.
Why do we use the word import? Emily, what do you think? Why do we use it for?
I don't remember.
See, import means to bring something. Okay, to bring
Oh
something.
yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. All right, so import means to bring something. Okay, so here we are gonna say from turtle import star, and because we're gonna bring star means everything. Okay, so we are bringing everything from the class called turtle. Now we have to make our own screen. Let's make a screen. So I'm gonna say screen, or you can say my screen or whatever you want. I'll say my screen. And see, how do we write in programming? We don't add the spaces in between. When you do coding, Emily and Angie, you guys have to keep this in mind. When you are doing coding, don't add spaces like this in between. That's a bad habit. Okay, and it's not accepted too. So if you want to write two words, try to write the first word in the smaller case and start the second word with the capital letter. Did you guys understand?
Okay.
Come on, show me a thumbs up sign. Angie, you're actually relaxing too much. You need to stand up, come up a little bit closer. We cannot see you. Now we can see you. So come on, give me a thumbs up sign if you guys understand till here. Cool. Now my screen equals, now we're going to run a function called screen. Okay, you guys don't have to worry about this code for now because these are just practice. The more practice you do on this, you'll understand it later on. Okay, so we're gonna say my screen, call the function called screen. Okay, good.
Okay.
Now it's time to set the background color. Now you can put any background color you want. I'm gonna just write screen dot bg color. What do you mean by bg color? BG is like the short form for background, so it's gonna be like screen background. You know background? Like in Scratch, we used to have different backgrounds with different kind of stuff there. Maybe a city or the water underwater or the park. Here we can add the color as we like. So screen.bg color. All right, pick me a color. Tell me which color do you want?
Purple.
Purple. Okay, let me just get a purple color.
Red.
Red or purple?
Purple.
Purple and red.
Purple and red. How come? Okay, I'm gonna use purple for now, and then my turtle color should be red. Purple. Okay, cool. Let me just run the script now.
No, but that's not saving the turtle.
Let me just stop it once again. See once again.
Make horse.
Yeah. No, yeah, you can make hearts, but it's it's gonna be like really complicated code for now, because now I want you to understand about how coding works. Once you understand everything, you might be able to make your own horse. And there are a lot of games you can make in Python. By the time we're gonna finish this lesson right now, but you're in a hurry right now, so next time when we finish the lesson, I'm gonna show you some games that are made in Python too. Okay.
Okay.
So if you guys understood till here, give me a thumbs up sign. Angie, you look so dull. What happened?
What?
What happened? Why are you so quiet?
No.
You tired? Okay. See, once you're back on the code, once you'll be doing the coding, you will be really fun. It will be really fun for you too. Okay, now it's time to bring up the turtle. Okay, how do you make a turtle? Give a name to a turtle. Come on, can anyone give a name for me so that I can keep it for a turtle?
Timmy.
Jeremy?
Cookie.
Timmy.
Jeremy?
Timmy.
Cookie.
Harky or Cookie?
Pom pom.
Timmy.
I have a good name better than that. You guys are so dull. I'm gonna pick Addie. Oh my god, that's a cute name.
No.
Yeah.
Why not Lily or something like that?
Okay, so
Timmy. That's a good name for a turtle. I had a
Ada.
tiny turtle.
Ada, is this a good name?
Tiny Tim.
You forgot an uppercase letter.
Timmy. Cool. Yeah, we don't. Yeah, that's the good. Who sent me that uppercase letter right now?
Okay.
All right. See, uppercase letter we don't use it in Python. Uppercase letters are not allowed. Not allowed. Now, Timmy equals turtle with T capital turtle and
I had a tiny turtle.
Timmy
Tiny Tim.
dot shape. All right. What shape do we have to keep? Yeah, we have to keep the shape of turtle. Turtle.
Where?
And Timmy. What color should we keep for Timmy?
Red, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, red. No,
Red.
green.
But I believe.
Green.
Okay, green. Okay, let's see how does this look. All right, we have a Timmy there. Do you see a turtle?
Hi, Timmy.
So cute.
So we have a Timmy in the middle of a screen. Now I want my Timmy to do something. So my Timmy's gonna make a square. Timmy's gonna write. I'm gonna say just like Scratch. Timmy dot go to. You remember in Scratch we used to do X and Y axis.
Yep.
The coordinates go to here and there. So these are the coordinates. 0 and 0 means x0, y0. But I'm gonna say go on x0 means on the center of the screen and y100. Okay, so it's gonna go a little up. Yeah, there we go.
There's
Now,
a line.
We don't have to write a line. So what you have to do? Timmy dot pen up. Okay, now there will be no line.
I want the line.
Cool. We will make a line. Now say Timmy dot
Why are you skipping one?
pen down. Okay, now let's make a square. How do we make a square? Do you guys have any idea?
Left, right, up, down. No, actually not. Left.
Up,
Oh,
yeah.
Timmy go to something.
Something. Okay, TV good is something. Okay, tell me.
Up,
Up, left, down,
and then right.
and then right. Okay. You guys got somewhat closer to what I was thinking. What in programming, we don't actually the Timmy right now is just a little object of our computer code, and he don't actually understand left, right. Instead, we will say Timmy dot right 90 degrees. Like in the Scratch, we used to say turn out 90 degrees. Okay, turn right 90 degrees, and Timmy dot forward. What do you think? What should be coming if we say forward? What do you mean by forward?
180. No. Okay, forward minus 90 degrees.
Let me run this. Let me run this thing. No.
Minus 90 degrees.
Look here.
I know my.
Cool. Do you see? All right. He just made a line. Now, how do we complete this as a square? Do you guys have any idea?
Now you do left with 0 degrees, and then down, and then that would be 180 degrees, but pointing.
Your math is blowing my mind.
I know, I'm so smart.
What about you, Emily? What do you think? How do we make a square?
I think Timmy should go now. Well, right and left does the same thing.
See,
If you
yeah.
can do two squares.
I got your point.
I'm gonna do the right.
I
Go
got the
right,
idea.
up,
I got the idea.
and left.
See, now your both answers were kind of a little bit practical because you were thinking from your side. Now keep yourself on the place of Timmy and think what's your right and what's your left. For Timmy, what for us is right, for him it's left. Okay, so for us what is left, for him it's right. So Timmy dot right 90, Timmy dot forward 100. Now I'm gonna turn it again right. Timmy dot right, in square all the sides are same, so it's gonna be the same script for full four sides. So is it gonna be Timmy dot forward?
Oh yeah, that's smart.
Yeah, thank you. Now let me run the script. Now do you see how does it work? Cool. Let's complete it. You don't have to retype the whole thing. Yeah, but if you do, that's really cool. I'm gonna make 2 more steps. Come down. All right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me see how does it look. Is this a square?
Timmy,
Is this a square?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks like
Alright.
a rectangle.
Great. Now, how come does it look like a rectangle? For me, it never. And we can even add one more script, that is Timmy dot right. Hello, Angie and Emily.
Hi.
Hello, Angie and Emily.
I thought you were talking to me.
Let me see how does it look.
What is it?
Cool.
What does that say? I can't.
Yeah,
It's very
because
small on font.
I know. Let me zoom in a little bit.
Wait, can we make Timmy big?
Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. But for
Size
now,
150. That
Yeah.
says hello, Angie and Emily.
yeah. Now it's your guys' turn. It's your all turn to write. Let's start coding. So
Wait, somebody don't share their screen, please. Can you please get out of sharing
yeah.
the
So
screen?
first, before we start coding, do you guys understand till here? Give me a thumbs up sign. Don't slap the camera. Just give me a thumbs up sign. Nah, that's it. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and start coding.
Can you please